Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PandaDoc AI to generate proposals from templates step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the PandaDoc website. Log into your PandaDoc account using your credentials. Once on your dashboard, locate the Templates section in the main menu. Click on Templates to access your existing templates. If you don't have a template ready, click on Create Template to build a new one. Customize your template according to your proposal needs. Ensure you include necessary fields for client information, pricing, and terms. After finishing your template, save it by clicking the Save button. Now, return to the dashboard by clicking on Documents in the main menu. Click on the New Document button to start creating a new proposal. Select the template you created from the available options. Once the template loads, make any necessary adjustments to tailor it for your specific proposal. To enable AI to assist in generating content, find the AI feature toggle. Switch the AI feature on to activate its capabilities. Review the generated content suggestions from the AI. Edit the suggestions as needed to align them with your proposal. Once you are satisfied with the content, proceed to finalize the proposal. Click on the Send button to share your proposal with the intended recipient. Monitor the document status through your PandaDoc dashboard after sending. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled PandaDoc AI to generate proposals from templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.